Hello everyone! Today we are making another two simple recipes, cherry cheesecake icebox cake and cherry almond scone with cream cheese topping. So first, let's make some cherry pie filling. I am using about 2 pounds of pitted cherries. In a saucepan, combine about 2 pounds of pitted cherries, 1 cup of granulated sugar, about a teaspoon of almond extract, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed in cold water. Over medium heat, bring to a boil until mixture has thickened, about 8 to 10 minutes. Then remove from heat and set aside. Now for the icebox cake, it's really simple and easy. In a bowl, beat cream cheese until smooth. Then fold in about 2 cups of whipped cream. Line graham crackers in a single layer, break or slicing as needed to fit. Then spread on the cream cheese mixture evenly. Then spoon an even cherry pie filling and spread them out evenly as well. Then repeat the process. Layer more graham crackers on top. Then another cream cheese mixture and spread it evenly. And then on the last layer, sprinkle some crushed graham crackers. You can also put this into small cups to be more individualized. Same process, crushed graham crackers and then cream cheese, cherry pie filling, up until 3 layers. Then refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours or overnight until the graham crackers have softened completely. This icebox cake is so easy to make, and with summer around the corner, this will be a perfect dessert. Now let's make some scones. This is my first time, so let's see how it goes. So I have here 2.5 cups of flour, half cup sugar, and then 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, and then mix them all together. And then grate 1 stick of frozen butter. Add the frozen butter into the dry ingredients. Mix them well until the butter is evenly dispersed. Then make a well in the center of dry ingredients. Add a splash of vanilla, 1 cup heavy cream, and then 1 egg. With a wooden spoon, gently combine the ingredients until a dough begins to form. As soon as the dough forms, gently add in cherries. Then cut the disc into sections. Sprinkled sliced almonds. Refrigerate dough for 20 minutes, then bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 17 minutes. Then drizzle with a cream cheese glaze once they are completely cool. These scones actually taste good for trying it the first time, but I hope I can improve more on my next try. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will give these recipes a try too.